Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix missing app names on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see currently, I don't have basically any names here. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings, and in the most icons, if you haven't chosen them, the settings will be a very simple cogwheel, or you can swipe to the up drawer, and here your apps will have names. So we want to go into settings, scroll a little bit until you'll see home screen, and here you can simply click app labels, and when it's toggled on, you will see that now we have our app names in the very little nice looking labels below them. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.